Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure that the WhatsApp application on your device is updated to the latest version available. Once you've confirmed that, open up the WhatsApp app. You should see the Meta AI icon at the top of the WhatsApp screen. If you can't find it, you can tap on the search bar at the top and search for @MetaAI. This will help you access the Meta AI chat. Once you're in the Meta AI chat, your recent conversation history will be displayed. You can simply start typing in any question or prompt, and the Meta AI bot will respond to you. To generate an image, type in /imagine and then describe the image you want the AI to create. The Meta AI will then generate the image for you. You can also access the Meta AI bot in other WhatsApp chats as well. Just open the target chat and type @MetaAI, ask a question or prompt, and the Meta AI will respond. To generate an image, type @MetaAI /imagine and then describe what you want the AI to create. So that's basically how you can chat with Meta AI on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.